You see the storm system right here in Canada, right? The one we're dealing with right now. That storm was actually a hurricane in Mexico last week. Yeah, it was. It was the strongest hurricane on record, actually. That storm was actually in the Gulf. So it came up like this. Came through Mexico and right like that, emerged off the Gulf. It went up like that. That's actually the storm itself. That is the remnants of. That's the remnants of. Yep, that's actually the remnants of Patricia. So Patricia's remnants. Here's what remnants. Here's what they did. See, here's Patricia's remnants. Powerful, low. That's causing all this wind. So yeah, we're actually the bad weather we're getting right now is actually courtesy of Patricia's remnants. This storm was 882 millibars. Yep. Oh man, we got some lightning off the coast. Okay. So yeah, you see me wearing these headphones right here? I heard a click and I meant lightning. So okay. So yeah, that's the remnants of that storm. Let's see how the weather's going to be for New York City. Shower or two is possible tomorrow, mainly north and west of the city. I think this winter's going to be pretty warm. Here's why. Here's the Arctic Oscillation. Yeah. You see that, right? How positive it's going to get. It's a sign of a very warm weather pattern that's going to develop over the country. In order for it to be cold, the Arctic Oscillation has to be negative. But look what's going to happen. The trend is showing it's going to become very positive. That's a sign of a very strong polar vortex that's going to develop. That's actually a good thing. When the polar vortex is weak is when you have all these breakdowns, when you have pieces of it breaking off because of a blocking pattern. If this polar vortex becomes that strong, it's going to trap all the cold air over Canada and the North Pole. Ooh, just heard a lot of clicks. Let me see. There we go. Big cluster lightning strikes right here. So this is the radar right now, showing a squall line coming right through eastern Pennsylvania. Well, it's not a squall, technically, it's just a line of showers, but it is pretty linear. It's probably the cold front coming through. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.